SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on hexagonal silicon formation and its phase transformability. This research was conducted by Megha Shashidharan Nisha et al. And published in 1st January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Silicon Si is a cornerstone of semiconductor technology, but its hexagonal diamond HD crystal structure remains less explored. This study investigates the formation and phase transformability of HDSI up to 1000 C utilizing instrumented nano-indentation and subsequent annealing. The HDSI phase is obtained from a mixture of rhombohedral R8 and body-centered cubic BC8 phases within a diamond cubic silicon DCSI wafer. Boron-doped Czochralski-grown SC100 wafers were used. Nano-indentation was performed at room temperature using a spherical sapphire indenter 20 micrometer radius at a 500 meganewton load to induce R8BC8 phases. Annealing was conducted at 250 C, 350 C, 500 C, 700 C and 1000 C in vacuum-sealed quartz capsules. Subsequent Berkovich indentation was used to assess the mechanical properties and transformation behavior of the annealed regions. Nano-indentation produced R8BC8 phases confirmed by Raman spectroscopy. Annealing at 250 C initiated the transition to HDSI, with dominant HDSI formation observed at 500 C and 700 C, exhibiting 2H, 4H, and 6H polytypes. At 1000 C, the material transformed to nanocrystalline DCSI with residual HDSI. The R8BC8 mixture showed significantly higher hardness, 17.14 GPa, than DCSI 12 GPa. The study details the phase transformation pathways of silicon under indentation and annealing. Nano-indentation of DCSI induces R8BC8 phases, which upon annealing transform into HDSI. The formation of HDSI is thermally activated with intermediate temperatures 500-700 C yielding highly crystalline polytypes. The higher hardness of R8BC8 is attributed to densification and lack of metallic phase formation during loading. This research successfully synthesized hexagonal diamond silicon HDSI via nano-indentation and annealing, revealing its phase transformation behavior and enhanced thermal stability up to 700 C. Intermediate annealing temperatures open parenthesis 500-700 C close parenthesis yielded large area, highly crystalline HDSI with multiple polytypes. The R8BC8 high pressure phases exhibit superior hardness compared to other silicon allotropes.